Telegram takes over all other messengers and social media. This one application covers all users' daily needs: to communicate, read live news, rest, and entertain themselves. What matters the most? Telegram has succeeded much in gathering the able-to-pay audience. This material is about how to monetize this messenger. 1. Advertising postings. You can advertise brands and bloggers. For example, you can do weekly columns with a list of recommended channels, shared posts or interviews, stories on new launches, or posting on upcoming campaigns, sales, and special offers. As of May 2022, official ads by Telegram are still being tested and cost a lot. Ads on Telegram channels look like native material, and there is no such phenomenon as banner blindness. Therefore, users click and follow links more often if the post is attractive to them. 2. Sell third-party products and services. This is very similar to advertising posting. But in this case, you sell third-party products or services. For example, there are some Telegram channels with sneaker deals. They monitor online sneaker shops, but this part can be automated, and if a price goes down significantly, they make a post in the channel. With an affiliate link, of course. 3. Sell your products and services. Basically, you can sell almost any product or service. Here are some examples to show this in action. A freelance designer can run a popular Telegram channel with design tips, and monetize the channel by selling gigs. A SaaS company with a CRM product can run an educational Telegram channel about customer relations, and monetize the channel by selling SaaS subscriptions. A toy brand can run a Telegram channel with toy-related content, videos, reviews, unboxing, etc., and monetize by selling the toys. Similar to running a public page in social media, there are a variety of options available to marketers and brand owners. 4. Affiliate marketing. You can post referral links to online shops like Amazon, for example, to attract user attention to such products. If a user follows the posted link and purchases the product, the author gets their premium. Do not forget to put a phrase like "sponsored material" in the post description. 5. Telegram bots. It does not take too much to make a bot. The task itself is pretty effortless, but it does take understanding, experience, technical background, and creativity. If you can make Telegram bots for your own needs, you might offer such services to other companies. 6. Telegram channel creation and reselling. And yet another idea is to create a network of channels on the hot topics for businesses, develop them using experience and knowledge, and offer them for sale to brands and bloggers later on. It is way more efficient and less time-consuming to buy a ready-to-go channel than to develop it from scratch, making all the mistakes possible. 7. Donations from your subscribers. After you have built a loyal and engaged audience that actively gives likes and comments on your posts, you can activate the donation feature. It might be as regular payments or a one-time scheme for collecting money for some specific goal. 8. Partnership programs. The essence of the referral program is to directly attract a client to purchase a product or service. Marketers know that on the recommendation of a familiar or reputable blogger, a client will come to a company or a brand faster than seeing an advertising video on TV, on a billboard in the city, or on a website on the internet. Those who follow an affiliate link are usually given a discount, and the one who posted this link on their channel is paid a reward. An example is Telegram channels dedicated to discounts on airline tickets. The owner of such a channel receives a certain percentage for each ticket ordered, and its visitor receives savings. Overall, as you can see, there are a variety of monetization options available at your fingertips through Telegram. With the right strategy and a little patience, you can make an income right from your laptop anytime, anywhere.